The Tata Safari is already an impressive SUV, but with the right modifications and upgrades, you can truly make it stand out. Whether you want to enhance its looks, improve performance, or add modern features, there are plenty of options available. From stylish alloy wheels and off-road tires to custom LED lights and body kits, visual upgrades can give your Safari a bold and aggressive stance. Adding roof racks, bull bars, and side steps not only makes it look more rugged but also increases functionality. For those who love adventure, a roof-mounted tent or an awning can turn your Safari into the perfect road trip companion. Performance upgrades can take your driving experience to the next level. Installing a performance air filter and a high-flow exhaust system can improve engine efficiency and give your SUV a sportier sound. If you want more power, a Stage 1 or Stage 2 AQI map can optimize the engine's performance for better throttle response and fuel efficiency. Upgrading to aftermarket suspension systems will enhance ride comfort and stability, especially for off-road enthusiasts. Brake upgrades, including performance pads and larger rotors, can significantly improve stopping power, adding safety to your powerful SUV. Interior customization is another great way to personalize your Tata Safari. Upgrading to premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a high-quality infotainment system can elevate the cabin experience. Adding a digital instrument cluster or a head-up display gives the SUV a futuristic touch. If you want a more immersive sound experience, upgrading to a premium audio system with subwoofers and amplifiers is a great choice. Features like wireless charging, a dash cam, and a 360-degree camera system can add convenience and safety, making your Safari feel more premium and technologically advanced. With these mods and upgrades, you can transform your Tata Safari into a unique SUV that reflects your personality and driving preferences. Whether it's an off-road beast, a luxury cruiser, or a tech-loaded adventure vehicle, the possibilities are endless. Drop a comment and let us know which mod you'd go for first, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content on Autoverse.